Hello everyone, mamamas ko lang po. I heard na mayroon daw kainan dito kaya ako ay dumaan lang. Anyway, to happy 60th birthday. As you celebrate this incredible milestone, I want you to know that how much you're loved and appreciated. Bilang mas matanda sa'yo, I witness your transformation. Kung ano ka noong bata pa at kung ano ka ngayon. So I believe that si Rose yung nagbabago sa iyo. Kita mo naman yung nagagawa ng pag-ibig, it will change a person. Sabi nga, beyond the success of every man is a woman. So Rose, I give you all the credit kung bakit siya ay nagbago. Thank you so much. You did a good job. Here's to 6 decades of amazing memories and to many more to come ahead. May this coming year will bring you joy, good health, and all the things that make life better. Enjoy your 60th birthday and happy holidays to everyone. Bye.
Happy birthday to. Happy 60th birthday. And may you have more birthdays to come and God bless. Sana malasing mo sila. Thank you.
Happy birthday to, happy 60th birthday. I wish you are always in good health. I am so proud that you raised a daughter who became a lawyer in our family. Cesar and I are very thankful for all the help that you have given to us. Have a wonderful birthday and advance Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Jeannie, and many more birthdays to come. I wish you have a good health and healthy, more healthy to come. God bless you.